Hi guys! So for today's video is going to be obviously a lip swatch ng mga FS Cosmetics Filipiniana liquid lipstick because I know I did a wear test. So kung gusto mong malaman para yung performance nito, kung magugustuhan mo ba yung performance nito, I'm gonna link the wear test down below. Pero for today, FS Cosmetics was kind enough to send me all the shades ng mga liquid lipstick. And I'm pretty sure marami kayong mga fina-follow ng mga YouTubers na mag-upload din ng kanilang mga lip swatch or magpo-post on Instagram or Facebook. Pero, alam mo yung pagbasihan mo na lang yung skin tone. Malay mo parehas tayo ng skin tone. So, yeah. So, I have 7 shades ng liquid lipstick. But before that, I just want to show you something, guys. Pinadala din na FS Cosmetics itong kanilang lip enhancers. It comes with their classic box. Ayan. And this is what it looks like. And when you open it, nung una, akala ko parang, is this a lip balm or something? Pero bakit yellow? So, I have 2 shades. First one is yung Sunburst. And then, I have another shade. I'm so sorry guys pag nagbabago yung ilaw kasi yung araw is like. And then the next shade is this one in a shade Chameleon. Lip enhancers transform dull lips into a kissable pout. It has a gold specks that function as vitamin E, which moisturizes and hydrates the lips. It has antioxidant properties that combat free radicals. Applying the lip enhancers will lighten dark lips as it dries semi-opaque. Use it before lipstick or after lipstick or alone to see stunning results. So right now, let's do the alone part. So I'm curious about Sunburst. What does it look like? Meron nga siyang gold specks, you guys. So, this is what it looks like if you use it alone. Dai, para siyang lip highlighter, dai. Actually, parang maganda nga rin siyang highlighter, oh. So, eto siya if you're gonna use it alone. Para ka lang na, let's see, goldy lip gloss. So, this is Sunburst. Ganda niya, ano, oh. FS Cosmetics, maglabas kaya kayo ng highlighter na ganito. Ang dating sa akin na para siyang lip highlighter. A moisturizing lip highlighter. Mamaya try natin ipatong on top of the liquid lipstick. So, I'm going to swatch Chameleon. Iba to, day. Magbabago ba yung kulay ng labi ko dito? Oo! Teka, ano ba to? Step 1, step 2 ba to? Hindi, magkaiba ba sila? Or parehas lang? Kasi, ito ba muna? And then, papatungan ito? Pwede, no? I don't know. Step 1, step 2 ba to? Or talaga magkaiba sila? Ayan o, may tint yung si Chameleon. I like Chameleon. I like it. Okay, bongga. Okay, tanggalin natin guys. Mag-lip swatch na tayo. So, we have 2 nudes. We have 3 pinks-ish. And then we have 2 ready. Pupunta ka ba? Go love Ripsky. Okay lang, dumandaan ka sa likod ko. Okay, so unahin natin yung nude colors. I think this is the lightest one, Mayumi. So this is the first shade, you guys, and it's a brown peachy for everyday nude color. Hindi ka naman mukhang dead in person. It's actually really nice. Ganda. Peachy brown siya. Warm, tawag dito. Warmy ang color niya. Ayan, oh. like it. God, nakalimutan ko. Dapat pala gumawa tayo ng arm swatches. Ayan, para makita natin yung difference. Nakaloka kasi naman talaga yung photos na pinopost ng FS Cosmetics. Parang ang dilim-dilim. Hindi tuloy natin, for me, hindi ko tuloy makakita ano talagang tunay na kulay. O, yan pala yun. Yung Mayumi. Next on the nudes is called Mahusay. Ano? Kung si Mayumi ay peachy-peachy, eto talaga, brownie-brownie. Ganda. Alright guys, so this is Mahusay on my lips, and it's another brownie type of nudie. Parang feeling ko ito, bagay sa kahit anong skin tone. Ito, medyo more on the medium to fair skin tone. But I'm not sure. Meron din kasing mga morena na carry itong mga malapichi-pichi, mga ganyang vibes. But yeah, this is Mahusay. Let's go naman to the pinks. At dito ko medyo naaaning kasi day, oh. Parang magkakamukha day, pero I'm pretty sure they're not. This is a very deep brown tone pink. That's also nice for everyday, for office wear. Dahil lang mo ganda. Parang ang laki ng labi ko. Parang Angelina Jolie ng very slight yung labi ko. May likey. Okay, type kita. Ito si Matalino. Next shade is called Masayahin, and I hope to God this is super duper different from Matalino. It's pink, pero peachy pink. Diba? Peachy pink na may slight orange. Tama ba? Tama ba ako na nakikita? Waiting for it to set, for it to dry a little bit. Ang napansin ko guys, may mga shades dito na ang na-wear test ko kasi is matatag, and it has a very very thick formula. Pero ibang mga shades dito, it has a thinner formula, so kailangan mo na another layer like to fully covered your lips. And etong si Masayahin, isa to sa mga shades na yon. And the other one na napansin ko is si Mahusay, this one, the second one. So yeah, iba din ang nilalaban nito, day. Kung ang hirap i-memorize. Kung si Matalino is like deep brown undertone mauve pink, ito naman is like a papaya pink. Alam mo yung pink siya, pero may pagka-peachy din siya, and ganda, diba? So sorry, parang napupusuan ko lahat. Pero wait, I have favorites. Oo. Pero like, ito, isa to sa mga favorite ko. Ayan, oh. Sino to? Ang hirap i-memorize, Masayahin. Okay, next naman dun sa shade ng pink is Malambing. Ako, eto na. Eto na yung medyo confused ako. Anong shade ito? Hindi ko maintindihan. So while waiting for it to dry, eto na, sabi na eh. Ang lapit, day. Alam mo, pag itong dalawa pinaghalo, eto kalalabasan. Talaga ba? Meron siya a little bit of this and a little bit of this. Sakto lang. So this is Malambing. We're going to move on to the last two shades. Ito yung mga reds. At uunahin ko yung Mapagmahal. Chararot ko talaga swatch. So this is mapagmahal, you guys. And this is the type of red na hindi siya orangey pero more on like pinky. Pink undertone, I mean. Okay, slight orangey but not so orangey. I hate orangey reds kasi. But this one, feeling ko carry ko naman siyang i-wear soon. Ito yung panampal red eh. Oo. And last but definitely not the least is the shade Matatag. Kung napanood niyo yung wear test ko, alam niyo na to because this is the shade that I wore. This is a deeper red pero parang siyang maroony vibes. Alam mo yun? With the brown undertone. Panarin niyo yung wear test ko para you can see this color in action. Sana lang lahat ng mga shades, katulad itong Matatag, sing tatag ng Matatag, alam mo yun? Kahit ba malambing, matalino yung iba, yun yung pangalan nila, sana sing tatag ni Matatag. So, I switched to my favorite shade, which is Masayahin, which is this one. Alam mo, I rarely fall in love with papaya pink shades, but this one really got me. Kailangan mo pala talaga siyang makita in person bago mo ma-appreciate. Kasi dun sa photo, parang hindi ko ma-arok. Kasi ang dilim. And I'm like, parang magkakamukha lang yung mga shades. Anyway, gaya pala na sinabi ko kanina, I'm going to apply itong mga lip enhancers on top of it. But, just take a look at Masayahin. I love Masayahin so much. Ayan. Sabi ko daw on top eh. If you want to bring out the shine ng liquid lipstick, matatanggal kaya yung pagiging Kissproof nito. Ay, slide. Slide. Matadamay, Huwag mo nang lagay. Kung gusto mo ng Kissproof effect. Pero etong isa, itong may goldy, chak-chak chenes. Ito, Day. Lagay mo sa gitna, Day. Kung gusto mong lumapad ang labi mo. Ay, lip highlighter for me. Imbes na gumamit ka ng powder highlighter for the face, kung gusto mong lagyan ng highlighter yung labi mo, Day, dito ka na. Alright guys, so that completes this video for today. Abangan nyo, marami pa tayong lip swatch na gagawin. Marami pa akong mga lip products na darating. So, stay tuned for it. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!